Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to download the latest version of Rhino for free. So we are going to download the Windows version. Click on download Rhino 8 and select the one-time evaluation. This version gives you a free trial that you can use all functions for free even after the 90 days. You log into or you create a new account. Here we are creating a new account, so you enter your name, email and phone number. Then you click on create new account. You check your email for activation link. Click on the link. Now you have to return back to the main page, and then you accept or agree to the license, the privacy policy. It also gives you the evaluation license key. You can copy it to your clipboard or you save it in a notepad. And then you click on the English now, or you can select another language. Now we start the download process. Then the download is done. You open to the download location. You double click on the installation file. Install now, making sure that you have your internet connected for Rhino to download some few files from the internet. Now we launch Rhino. Then this pop-up window comes for you to enter your email address. You type it in and then you agree. You type it in and then you agree to the license and then the privacy policy. Now it searches for your license. Then the next pop-up comes for you to continue with your activation code. Then you click on continue. It verifies your activation code. And then you have to choose whether you are using it on one computer or on any other computer. Then you verify your account. Now you launch your Rhino. As you can see, successfully installed. And then some few templates for you. Thank you for watching.